Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Christine at Scrap and Rabbit. Today I have a small journal. It's small, but it's quite thick. There are 304 pages inside, and that's 152 papers, full and half pages for the total of 304. Now the journal measures 4.5 inches wide by 6 inches tall, and it's got a 2-inch thick spine. So I'll quickly show you the outside. It has beautiful paper embellished with the images of teapots and tureens, and it's a nice gold and pink paper. It's got an elastic closure, and I've got a little flower on there, and on the side I've got some embossed paper that covers the threads of the 5 signatures. And here's the back. I have a removable set of chunky charms on a chain, and this is tied on with a lobster claw clasp, so you can remove it easily if you prefer not to keep it on the journal. It also comes with a little dangle bookmark, and this has a little flower, and there's some charms on here, a little leaf, and these are made mostly using beads from pieces of vintage jewelry. I made these myself. So I'll show you the inside. There are 5 tabs, one on each of the signatures, so you can use that for titles or to mark sections if you like. On the inside I have a little envelope with the tag, and that just closes like that. The papers are very pretty. This is scrapbook paper that I used for some of the pages, as well as inside the as well as for the signatures. You could put some photos in here, but it's preferable to scan and print them and keep your originals in a safe place, because these pages are not all acid free. I've got some parchment paper in there. I've got a little doily with an envelope, so you can tuck something inside. There's a whole assortment of papers. There's some lined paper, some more parchment paper, and some tea-dyed paper. And here's a little envelope with a tag. There are no embellishments in here, so you can go ahead and do your own stamping and customize your journal. There's another little tag. This is some pretty writing paper. So that's the first signature, and here's a second. Got a little pocket here, and you can also add some little pockets in there as well to tuck in some mementos. It's not a large journal, but it's quite thick. It's nice when it's not too large, because you don't necessarily need a large page to journal on. Sometimes it's nice just to have a smaller page, but there's still quite a bit of room. I like the different textures of, that's scrapbook paper, of the different papers. Okay, little tag. This is an index card that I tea-dyed. That's from an old music book. I like doing a video, and I've mentioned this in my other videos too. I like doing a video for my Etsy listings because it gives you a much better idea of what something looks like than just looking at a few photos that we're allowed to post on Etsy. I think you can only put up to 10 pictures, so sometimes that's not enough to describe, so the videos are, I think, a good idea. I have some more journals that I listed recently, so if you're interested you can go have a look at those as well. And this is an envelope that I just folded in two, and I put some tags in there. And some more tags, and this is the last signature. So the papers repeat in the different signatures, but they're all mixed up. And line paper. And then I've got a pocket on the back. So feel free to ask me questions if you're interested in this journal. And like I said, you can have a look at my other journals that I recently listed in my Etsy shop as well. Have a nice day, happy journaling and happy crafting. Bye!